From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning to you, and thanks for joining me on this Hump Day Wednesday. I'm Noah Berggren from the Campus Weather Service as we take a live look here over the happiest of valleys. The current temperature is in the middle 40s, so you'll definitely need a light jacket or a sweatshirt going to class or work this morning. Looking at the current temperatures across the rest of Pennsylvania, we have an easterly flow coming in off of the Atlantic and from New England. That's bringing with it cooler air with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. You'll notice off to the south of us, we have warmer weather with temperatures in the 60s already in the Carolinas. However, that warm air will not make its way up here again as we have a flow off the east, which is going to help bring in those showers and clouds over the next couple days. Currently, though, the radar and satellite is dry, and it will stay this way through the first half of the day today. So this morning, if you have a class or you're going anywhere, don't expect much in the way of rainfall. However, as we go through the afternoon, clouds will increase and we'll have some rain showers that will move in from the south. Today's weather story reads like this. We have a cool and wet weather pattern that's going to arrive the next couple days, thanks to in part because of a slow-moving low-pressure area that will hang around through at least the day on Saturday. The heaviest of the rain will arrive on Thursday, with some areas receiving over 2 inches of rain, with the heaviest possible in the southeast part of the state. Also, we're watching the tropics on this Wednesday with what could be Tropical Storm Matthew forming today. I'll have an update on that in just a moment. As we put the maps in motion here for the rest of today, again, mainly cloudy sky today, not much in the way of rainfall throughout the daylight hours, but as we get from dinner time and there on after, rain begins to move in, and some of it heavy, as you can notice the reds and oranges showing up. Throughout the day Thursday, much of the same. The heavy rainfall sweeps through the state. It won't rain the entire time, but when it does rain, it may come down heavy. In some areas of poor drainage and low-lying flooding is possible. Switching gears and looking at the tropics, this is Invest 97L, and what I'm showing you here is what's called a spaghetti plot of weather forecast models. And each line right here is a different weather model projecting the path of this tropical system. And the end of the lines here are valid for next week. And you'll notice that the lines are starting to come up towards the southeastern United States. As of now, it appears that there's kind of 2 tracks for this storm to take, either somewhere up the East Coast or into the Gulf. It's still possible this can recurve out into the Atlantic, but I'm not thinking that that's quite a valid scenario at this point. And why we really have to watch this storm is because the water temperatures in the Atlantic are very warm for this time of year, in the 80s and to near 90, which is more like bathtub water to normal people, but for a hurricane, that is prime conditions for strengthening. So we'll have more updates with that with you on the Campus Weather Service over the coming days. Today's forecast goes like this: partly to mostly cloudy with rain showers moving in during the later part of the day. High temperatures in the upper 60s. For this night, temperatures fall back into the middle 50s with the rain showers, with a light easterly wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour. For your Thursday, we'll have rain, heavy at times, temperatures cool for the time of year, and especially where we've been in the lower 60s, with a southeasterly wind of 5 to 10 miles an hour. Over the next 7 days, the forecast reads like this: the rain hanging around through the day on Thursday and Friday. Thursday will be the rainiest day of the week. Friday, temperatures remain in the lower 60s for highs. And on Saturday for Penn State versus Minnesota here at Beaver Stadium, it's looking like we still have the threat for rain showers. However, it is not looking like a washout at this point, so I'm hopeful for at least part of the game to be dry, but we'll have more updates on that as we get closer. And the overall trend after Saturday is going to be for drier weather and slowly improving conditions to move into Pennsylvania, with temperatures again rising into the upper 60s to near 70. For more updates on this forecast, you can follow us on Twitter at PSU Weather and head on over to our website at campusweatherservice.com. Until next time, I'm student meteorologist Noah Berggren. Have a great day.